In this video, I will be showing you how to change email address on Facebook. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, just have to make sure that you're logged in to any web browser here on your PC or laptop. So in order for you to change your email address, all you need to do is to tap first your profile on the top right corner and then look for settings and privacy. Click settings and then wait for a couple of seconds, and this is what it looks like. Now you have to make sure also that you can see this Meta account center, or you have updated your Facebook account, because the option for that, I mean, unlike before, the personal details where you can change or you can add email address is under this Meta account center. So you should see this one, and then what you're going to do here once you see this Meta account center is you have to click this, and then the settings and privacy is under Meta Account Center. So under settings and privacy, what you're going to do is you have to look for personal details. Okay, so scroll down here and you should see this personal details right here. So this is your account. But what you're going to do is you look for personal details to see your email address and your contacts, your phone number, and so on. Okay, so scroll down and tap this personal details right here. Tap this one, and then here you will see your phone number, the name, and the email address. So if you want to simply change email address, you just have to click this. You can remove this if you want. So you can see here a delete email. Okay, so if you want to delete, just tap this one right here. But go back and confirm your Facebook account. Add email address first before you remove the old one. So you have to confirm your Facebook account. And then after that, okay, add another contact. Add email here. And you have to make sure also that this email address or new email address is working. So you have to enter the email address here. And then after that, you have to click the name of your Facebook account below to make sure that you want to change your email address on your Facebook account and not with your Instagram account. So you have to confirm that it's Facebook account and then tap next. And then after that, you will be notified. All you have to do is to open your email address and then accept this invitation that your or this new email address will have the full access to your Facebook account. Okay, so that's how easy it is. All you have to do is again go to settings and privacy, go to settings, go to Meta Account Center, and then go to personal details. And that's it. And that's how easy it is to change email address on Facebook.